So before this video gets started, if you're looking for a way to start making money, there's an awesome way to do so right here on YouTube by creating a faceless YouTube channel. This is something that I've been doing now for over 5 years. And guys, I've been making, look at this, over $10,000 per month. This is on just one of my several YouTube channels. And as you can see, I've made over 50,000 bucks just this year so far, and it's only May. And then if you go to last year, oh gosh, I made over $120,000 just on one channel. That's over $10,000 a month. And this allowed me to buy this house that I'm sitting in right now here in Southern California. And for the first time ever, I'm actually teaching you how to create your own faceless YouTube channel so that you can also hopefully start making thousands of dollars a month. And for the first 100 people who sign up, there's a 30-day free trial. You can sign up, try it out. Join, watch the video. There's a 50-minute video teaching you everything you need to know to create your own, giving you ideas and just giving you all the resources to get started. And then there's a group chat where I will be interacting with you and helping you out along the way. So click the link below, join the 30-day free trial, and maybe, it'll change your life just how it did mine. I used to be in massive credit card debt. I worked minimum wage jobs. I worked Uber, I worked Lyft, I worked at selling knives on Cutco. Worked at a bookstore. I did everything, okay? But doing YouTube really, guys, changed my life, and I'm excited to hopefully help some of you guys out too. You don't need any experience, you don't need to show your face, and you don't need a following at all. So click the link below to start your 30-day free trial if you'd like. Otherwise, let's get started with the video. We have, wait, what?
Oh, my session got canceled.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh.
The parent just texted me.
Okay.
Weeks ago.
Okay. All right, sounds good. Okay, so this is a new video topic about this is why self-driving cars could not be used for Uber, right?
Yeah.
Basically?
Yeah.
Or why the problem with self-driving cars and why Uber and Lyft might not be able to do self-driving cars. So yeah. Izzy sent this video. Let's watch this, okay? Autonomous Waymo goes the wrong way.
What the? Oh my God. It's going the wrong way.
So it's driving the wrong side of the road. Oh! Crap, was that? Okay, well, I guess we're not. Oh. What happened to the video? No, that's not the wrong one. Ah! Okay, let's go back to this one. Waymo's self-driving car. So, what do you think about this, Izzy?
I think they should do more tests with these cars or something, because
yeah, it wasn't even legal that they could just drive on the road with no driver yet. Do they have a permit to do this? They must.
Also, imagine if the traffic wasn't stopped and they just caused an accident.
Yeah, or imagine right here, somebody just turned the corner and was the car wasn't there first, but then it turned and then it hit the car.
Yeah.
Be at fault. And you can see actually right behind the car, it's a green light. So a car could see that and just start speeding going forward, and then all of a sudden a car's driving on the wrong side of the road. So imagine right now, the car, from afar, you can see, oh, it's green light, I'm just going. But then all of a sudden you have a car driving the wrong way.
Yeah.
So the question is Elon Musk's robotaxi going to do this? Or is it? Actually, because, yeah, I drove the Tesla and I was using the full self-driving and it did almost crash one time and I had to take over. It almost went drove into a curb.
Oh.
Yeah. Because, I was using it pretty liberally. I was just letting it do its thing. And oh, I wonder what it's going to do here.
And then it was like legit going to like drive straight into the curb because it was like one of those lanes that it was like kind of ambiguous. Like it wasn't, there was like a few different lanes.
Oh, yeah.
Didn't go into the right lane, or the correct lane, I mean.